Hi, welcome back. So now we're gonna use the backup script that Crontab will run every day at 5 p.m. right? So that's where we are. One more thing, I forgot to say to you that I usually add another file here, which is rsync underscore log. This is a log file that will that's very important for logging what happened when rsync performed its job. So we will be using this. Okay, this is very critical, so I'm just gonna put it on all folders. Okay, for example, if for there's some errors, it's a big mistake because you rsync will not continue if it finds an error, so your files will not be backed up. Okay, that's why it's important to check the log file if it was successful. Okay, and so we're gonna be looking at the script now. I'm gonna put this backup.sh here in the backups directory. I'm gonna create a new one. Okay, we're gonna work on this together, but once you really know how to rsync, it's a piece of cake. Okay, again, the reason why we are going to create a script, because crontab is going to run all these codes so that your system will get automatically backed up. So this is just a bash script. It's a simple scripting language that Linux uses. So we start with a comment. This comment means it's not gonna be processed, it's not gonna be read. And with a simple command like this, bash, it tells the computer that it's a bash script. Okay, so what we're gonna what we're really here for is this script. Don't confuse yourself yet, because this is the whole script. Okay, I'm gonna teach you one by one. So why did I put here first day of the week? It's DOW. It simply means that day of the week, uh, this one, day of the week. Because if you run this command under a terminal, okay, what will you get? It's Friday, because it's Friday today. Here it's Friday, so you get Friday. That's the reason why I copied the exact time days here. It's capital and it's Friday, it's Monday. So the script will automatically figure out what day it is so that it will run its thing on this day. And since it's a dollar sign, it's a variable. Okay, so you can just replace every time you have script, you just replace it with DOW there, and it will get dynamically the date that is today. Of course, the username is Bart. Okay, so now the script. Okay, I'm just gonna put this. Oh, you can't. Okay, the script. First of all, we're gonna back up the boot, right? So this is the rsync script to back up the boot. Okay, rsync A means preserve all the files, permission, owner, and the time modification. Okay, V is for our log file, so be verbose, and Z is to compress it. And the dash dash delete means that whatever is not found here, and you find it here, delete that copy here, so that they'll be really identical. Okay, so rsync whatever finds from the source that is not in the destination, delete the files in the destination so that the source will only be copied on the backups. Okay, I think this is nice feature, so that the destination file will always be looking the same as that of the source. Now the log file, this is very important. This is why I'm telling you. That's why you under Friday, for example, it's Friday today. When you execute this script, okay, it will produce a log file here. Now it's empty. but later we'll see that it's not gonna be empty. Okay, so this is a log file. So, and since we already indicated the day of the week here, which it's gonna be Friday, it's gonna figure out it's Friday. We just put $sign inside brackets the day of week and log it to rsync. Okay, now back up the boot. This is the source, and put it under backups, day of the week, and boot. Okay, so that's how simple it is. So again, if you go run through this whole command, it's gonna produce a log file on Friday, depending on what day it is. The boots is the source, and under backups, the day of the week, and then the boot. This is, if you're gonna go there first, Friday, log it here, okay, and then get the boot directory, which is the boot directory of the whole of this computer, of this virtual box. This is the boot directory of this virtual box. Okay, this virtual box is the boot directory. All these files, copy it under backups, Friday, and boot. Okay, copy that under backups, Friday, under boot. So this will be populated with this command. I hope that's very clear to you. If you're having trouble, you can just listen to that explanation again. So that's it. This is for our backupping the boot. Okay, and from here on, it's just the same. Okay, and we'll just put here the backup the root again. If we put here rsync verbose and preserve file permissions, and zip it, compress it, delete what's not in the destination folder so that it will be identical to the source. Exclude, oh yeah, this exclude, I haven't told you this yet. These are just options under rsync. What this exclude from does is that just follow this syntax, and whatever is written on this file, the rsync will not copy it. Okay, so for example, we have here backups others root exclude. If we go here backups others, we don't have it yet. We put it root exclude. If I put here, for example, backups, okay, this is the folder that rsync will not copy from the root directory. Okay, is that clear? So for example, so now let's go back to the backup script that we're creating. Exclude from backups root exclude. Okay, this files root exclude is found here. File system, this is what we're backing up, right? Because we're already on the root. This is the file system, right? This is the root. So if we rsync this one, exclude what's in this file, and also log the what rsync will do on this folder. Okay, backups, day of week, and rsync log. It will be now be found in Friday rsync log. Okay, so the boot will also have a log file of the boot rsync, and now that the root will also have the rsync log under the root. Now this slash means this is the file system that we're backing up. Now where to put it? In backups Friday root. So where do you find that? Backups Friday root. So this, so the whole file system will get copied under backups Friday root, but exclude root exclude under this file system, exclude that folder backups, because that's where we're gonna put it. Okay, so we don't need to back up it anymore. So this is the meaning of this file. So what's in root exclude? Just copy one line backups. It will be automatically recognized. If you don't want to copy the boot, just put there boot. So this means this folder, and we don't need to copy also the home, because I told you we're gonna make another backup for that. And on the next video we're gonna continue what else not to backup.